take.
And it does take.
You serious?
I'm serious.
It does take a couple of pretty special birds to come out and perform in front of a group like this.
All right, we're going to have Gabby go through her routine one more time. Gabbers, let's start again with your chicken. Nice. All right, your horse. Good girl. And the buddy cat. Very nice. One more time, Gabby, your song. There we are. With that, we'll say goodbye to Gabby.
Thank you. Now, before Peabody goes, he likes to tell everybody goodbye. You're saying goodbye. They're saying goodbye.
Bye.
Good.
Bye.
Faster.
Bye.
Good.
Bye.
Keep going, Peabody.
Bye.
Just like that.
Bye.
Yep.
Nice.
Bye.
Say goodbye to everybody.
Bye.
Yep, each and every one of them.
Bye.
Just takes them a while, that's all. Oh, they're helping you out, Peabody. Faster.
Bye.
A couple more.
Bye.
One more.
Bye.
Give a kiss. That a boy, Peabody. And with that, we'll say goodbye to Peabody and to Rhonda as well.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Great job, Rhonda. Thanks. Well, we do have another parent.